8. Passive income ideas for 294. How I make 5K per week. Hey friends, welcome back to the mmotrends channel. Today, we're going to dive into 8 innovative ways to generate passive income in 2024. Now, passive income is all about building systems that allow you to make money without constantly trading time for cash. These ideas are up to date, practical, and most importantly, accessible to people looking for smart ways to create financial independence without needing to invest a lot up front. 1. Selling digital templates and resources. Selling digital templates, whether it's website designs, social media graphics, or even AI-generated prompts, is one of the easiest ways to get started with passive income. The beauty here is that you create it once and sell it over and over again. Pros. Once created, you can sell the same product indefinitely. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market make it easy to find customers. Cons. High competition. Requires some creativity or design skills to stand out. How to start. Step 1. Identify a digital product that's in demand. For example, Canva templates or design assets for businesses. Step 2. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop to create your product. Step 3. Upload your products to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad and start marketing them. Short-term strategy. Focus on creating simple, in-demand templates like Instagram post designs or resume layouts. Long-term strategy. Build an entire library of templates or resources that customers can buy as a bundle. ROI timeline. With the right marketing, you could start earning in a few weeks to a couple of months. The return on investment is quick if your product fills a real need. 2. Automated dropshipping with AI tools. Dropshipping has been around for a while, but in 2024, the game changer is using AI to automate product sourcing, customer service, and even marketing. You don't hold inventory, you're simply the middleman. Pros. No need to invest in inventory up front. AI tools like AutoDS can handle most of the work for you. Cons. Lower profit margins per product. High competition, especially for popular items. How to start. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Think fashion accessories or home office gadgets. Step 2. Use AI tools like AutoDS to find trending products and automate order fulfillment. Step 3. Set up your store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and start marketing via Facebook or Google Ads. Short-term strategy. Target trending products and run Facebook ads for quick sales. Long-term strategy. Build a brand around your store to ensure customer loyalty and repeat sales. ROI. Timeline. Typically, you'll see results in 3 to 6 months if you find the right products and nail your marketing strategy. 3. Affiliate marketing with AI-generated content. Affiliate marketing has been around for years, but the 2024 twist is using AI tools to generate content. With tools like Jasper AI or ChatGPT, you can pump out blog posts, video scripts, or social media posts in minutes and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Pros. No need to create your own products. AI allows you to consistently produce high-quality content without much effort. Cons. It takes time to build a large enough audience for consistent income. Success heavily relies on traffic and conversion rates. How to start. Step 1. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Step 2. Use AI tools to generate content for blogs, YouTube, or social media. Step 3. Optimize your content for SEO and promote it through social media or paid ads. Short-term strategy. Start with blog posts or YouTube videos reviewing popular products in your niche and share affiliate links. Long-term strategy. Build consistent traffic to your content so that older posts continue earning affiliate commissions over time. ROI. Timeline. You could start making some affiliate income within 3 to 6 months, but scaling up to substantial amounts will take a year or more of consistent content creation. 4. Creating and selling online courses or workshops. One of the best ways to build passive income is by sharing your knowledge in the form of online courses. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific make it easy to package your expertise and sell it to a global audience. Pros: you can sell your course over and over again once it's created. High profit margins since digital courses cost little to maintain. Cons: requires upfront time and effort to create. Competitive market, so you'll need a course that genuinely adds value. How to start. Step 1. Choose a course topic based on your skills. For example, how to market on social media, graphic design, or personal finance. Step 2. Film your content, create slides, or write lessons. Use tools like Teachable or Udemy to host and sell your course. Step 3. Promote your course on social media, YouTube, or via email marketing. Short-term strategy. Create mini courses or workshops to attract a wider audience quickly. Long-term strategy. Build a complete course suite from beginner to advanced topics, so customers can progress through multiple courses. ROI. Timeline. Depending on your promotion strategy, you could start earning within 3 to 6 months after launch, with higher earnings as you scale. Renting out AI-generated assets. In 2024, you can use AI to create assets, like voices, videos, or artwork, that you can rent out to businesses, creators, or anyone in need. Platforms like 11 Labs for AI voices or Runway for video creation can help you generate custom content quickly. Pros: one-time creation can lead to multiple rentals or sales. Demand for digital assets, especially for content creators, is growing. Cons: requires time to learn how to use AI tools effectively. Your assets need to be high quality and unique to stand out. How to start. Step 1. Use AI tools to create digital assets like voiceovers or video animations. Step 2. Create a portfolio of these assets and offer them on platforms like Fiverr or your own website. Step 3. Promote your services to businesses, YouTubers, or podcasters in need of unique, customizable assets. Short-term strategy. Create and rent out custom AI voices or visuals for small creators. Long-term strategy. Build a library of assets that you can sell or license to a larger audience. ROI. Timeline. Once created, AI-generated assets can start making you money within a month if marketed well. 6. Subscription boxes in a specific niche. Subscription boxes are a popular model where customers pay monthly to receive curated products. With AI-driven inventory management, you can automate much of the logistics, making it easier to run even as a side hustle. Pros: recurring revenue model provides steady income, can scale quickly if the products are well curated. Cons: requires managing logistics like shipping and stock. Need to offer something unique to stand out in a crowded market. How to start. Step 1. Choose a niche, like book lovers, fitness enthusiasts, or eco-friendly products. Step 2. Partner with suppliers or use print-on-demand services for low-risk inventory management. Step 3. Set up your subscription service on platforms like Subly or Cratejoy, and promote through social media and influencers. Short-term strategy. Create a limited-time seasonal box to attract new customers quickly. Long-term strategy. Build a brand around your subscription and focus on customer retention through personalized offers. ROI timeline. It may take 6 to 12 months to build a steady subscriber base, but once established, this can lead to significant recurring revenue. 7. Rental income through fractional property ownership. You don't need to buy a whole property to get in on the real estate game. In 2024, platforms like Lofty AI let you buy fractional shares of rental properties so you can start generating rental income without being a landlord. Pros: low upfront investment, sometimes as low as $50. No need to manage properties yourself. Professional managers handle it. Cons: earnings depend on the performance of the property market. It's a long-term game. Don't expect instant riches. How to start. Step 1. Sign up on platforms like Lofty AI or Fundrise, where you can invest in fractional ownership of rental properties. Step 2. Choose properties to invest in based on expected returns and location. Step 3. Reinvest rental income to grow your portfolio. Short-term strategy. Diversify across multiple properties to spread out risk. Long-term strategy. Continue reinvesting your rental income to increase passive earnings over time. ROI. Timeline. Expect to see returns in 1-3 years as your portfolio grows. 8. Licensing your photography or digital art. If you're into photography or digital art, licensing your work on platforms like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock can become a passive income stream. Each download or purchase earns you royalties. Pros. Sell your work multiple times without additional effort. Huge global market for digital art and stock photos. Cons. Highly competitive. Your work needs to stand out. Takes time to build a portfolio that generates consistent income. How to start? Step 1. Create a portfolio of your best work, whether it's photography, illustrations, or graphic designs. Step 2. Upload your work to platforms like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Etsy for licensing. Step 3. Use relevant keywords and descriptions to make sure your work is discoverable. Short-term strategy. Focus on creating content that's trendy or tied to current events to get more visibility. Long-term strategy. Develop a unique artistic style and continue adding to your portfolio regularly. ROI timeline. With regular uploads and proper keywording, you can start earning within 3 to 6 months. So there you have it. 8 passive income ideas for 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your income streams, there's something here for everyone. The key to passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about building systems that generate value even when you're not actively working. Let's get started on creating your financial future. What do you think? Ready to take action on these ideas? Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on financial freedom and online entrepreneurship.